Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. How you doing? I do YouTube videos.
Oh yeah?
Could you tell me real quick what's in here?
Right now I got 2 American-based XFL2s on a Sound Digital 3K.
What's up, bro?
Okay. Sound. What is it wired to?
Down to 1 ohm.
1 ohm? Okay. Have you mated it yet?
Not yet.
Okay. Did you build the box?
No, he did.
Okay. Do you know what the tuning is?
Tuning is in between 35 to 44 hertz.
44? Okay. Yes, sir. Can I see the back real quick?
Yeah, go ahead.
Awesome. Is it stock alternator?
I'm sorry?
Stock alternator? Okay. So who built this? You did? Nice job, man.
Thank you. That was one of the things, like me beginning and building.
Yep.
And then we tried to throw the 15s in today, yesterday, but
Yeah.
we had issues getting the 15 box in the car.
Okay.
Yeah, they just wouldn't fit.
Yeah. Do you have any extra batteries? Is it all stock?
All stock on this one right now. We didn't even get the big 3 done.
Okay.
She's a work in progress.
Oh yeah. Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man. What was your name?
Aaron.
Aaron. Jacob.
How you doing?
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.